Welcome back to Little Silver Spoon Nursery. You probably wonder where I've been. Well, I went on vacation camping for a week starting the Monday before this past one, which would have been around July 24th. And we went up to Thousand Islands, which is in the St. Lawrence Seaway. And we have a boat, and my daughter has a jet ski, and my other son has a boat too. So we run up, we stayed at Grass Point State Park camping. We tent camp. And we sleep in sleeping bags on air beds. Well, we decided to take our boat out the first day after we got there that night, which would have been Tuesday because we got there Monday night and we woke up Tuesday. We decided to take our boat up to Boat Castle for a ride. And while we were at Boat Castle, another boat decided to go by really fast. You're supposed to go slow so you don't make a wake to ruin the other boats, get them wet. Well, one boat went by way too fast, and the water splashed up, and I was going to take a picture of the castle, and my phone got doused with water. So from that point, I couldn't take any more pictures at the campground or in the seaway or the whole camping trip. And I couldn't even talk to anybody or look at you guys' videos or anything. So this is actually my very first day back on my phone because I've been working with it since I got home this past Monday. We were gone a whole week from Monday to Monday. And I miss this little girl. She was my newest baby when I left. And isn't she just so sweet? I missed her. And so anyhow, my phone was wet, and when I got home, I still took time to try to get it to work because it was in a safe mode, but I couldn't get it out of a safe mode, and so I worked frantically to get my pictures put on my laptop, which I don't use my laptop very often, so it was very slow working, and our internet is slow anyhow. So it took me a while to get my laptop to work and to download everything off my SD card that I could into my computer to save some pictures. And there was two very important videos. One of my son and daughter's house that they had just purchased. My son-in-law, my future son-in-law, and my first daughter are getting married in October, and they had just purchased their first house, and I had the first video of walking through, and I thought that's gone. But I ended up being able to save it, and I found it. So I put it someplace online so it won't never get lost. And then there was another video of opening a small gift from Penny that we're supposed to put in our journals from Playful Reborns. And I did find that video too. And I made a separate YouTube channel for journaling because we've been doing different videos, and I thought, well, I'll just make another channel so that I can put that video on there. So I did that. And I'll have to write the name of that. It has to do with Pooh Corner and journaling. But I can't remember exactly what I named it right now, so I'll have to put that in this description later when I download this video, which will take a little while. But I missed everybody, and I missed watching your videos. I watched a whole bunch of videos last night and made some comments. We had a fun camping trip. It did rain a couple days. And one day when it was raining, my baby girl, we went down to Watertown. And in Watertown, at the mall, I found this beautiful shirt by Jolie. And if you remember a while back, I did a quadrupling video, and it had sweaters that had the same kind of design on it with the horse with the polka dots. So this is just another shirt that matches that. And I thought this is really cute and pretty, so I bought that. It's got the little rabbit on the snaps. And it's just a cute, look at this, says Jule's there, and has a little rabbit down here in the corner. So I don't know who I'm going to put that on yet, but I will. It's just a cute sweater that I got. And then, while I'm doing this, I'm going to set this little bed up that I got from my newest little baby here. And she needs to have some toys to play with or look at while she's sitting in her little carrier, her little bassinet. So I see where Penny from Playful Reborns made a whole bunch of hearts with all of our channels. That was such a kind thing to do. Thank you, Penny and Keith and your daughters for doing that. Your family. They're a really nice family that works together to make beautiful videos for us all to watch. See if I can get this put on here for her. It has a little cloud and a star. And we're going to put that on here. Now this is supposed to be for Dad, but I got this when I first got into reborning. I seen these online, and actually it was quite a bit smaller than I thought it would be. I had bought it for a prototype partial silicone baby that I had bought, and I have since sold. She was beautiful, but just not. She didn't really. At first she stole my heart, but then she just wasn't what I was looking for at the time. So she was adopted by another person. And then that person also sold her. This is going to be a really cute little bed for her. Can't wait to see her in it. And we're sitting by the seashore here with our seashells. And I'm hoping this little girl's going to love her new little bed. I will get back in and make some more videos, probably more next week. It's always tiring if you go on a camping trip. So much to do when you get home. And there are 7 of us, with myself, my husband, and our 5 children. Well, they're not really children anymore, they're all adults. And then my daughter's fiance came up later in the week because he had to work and joined us. And at one point we went down to Cape Vincent and went out to see the lighthouse there. For some reason, I can't remember the name of it right now. It's a beautiful lighthouse. We usually go visit every year when we go camping. Let's see how she looks in here. Oh, here she comes. Isn't she so cute? Okay, so I'll move a little messing up that over here and put her into this little bed. Oh, she fits in there very well. I love her little fingers and hands. I could not wait to get home to see her. Now she can dream of the stars and the moon. And her little seat. And I hope everybody can see her good in there. And her little seat. It's a little bit hard. That's really cute though. She's just so precious. Anyhow, one of the other things I got while camping was we went down to the town of Clayton, and we went into the, no, this was actually in Alexander Bay, and look at this beautiful muslin swaddle blanket that I found. So I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it up and see what it looks like when I get inside. Oh, that is really cute. It's pretty big, so I can use this for a lot of the babies. I think I'm going to take her out of here. Let's try her into this. Oh. I just can't get over how realistic she is. I love her. She's adorable. So yeah, we'll be back with a lot more videos. Another thing I wanted to show everybody was that I did get a Temu package while I was away from Temu. So let's see what's in there. And that's everything that was in that bag. And oh, we have some little boxes to make. I love these. I have the smaller ones. These ones here will be nice because they're a little bit bigger. And oh, this sticker, a little wall sticker of a mouse coming out of a hole. This is going to be cute. Isn't that cute? You can put that right on the wall. And oh, this is so cute. Look at this dress. Oh, that's going to be so cute on my toddler baby. It's got cute sleeves. Very nice. And we'll put that over here. We have another outfit here. Oh, it's another dress. I've forgotten what I ordered. This is another one for my toddler baby. It's a pretty little dress. I don't think it's exactly what I thought it would be, but it's still pretty. I'll have to try it on and see how I like it. Okay. And what do we have in here? This is made by Angao. It's got a little puppy on the front of the bag. Oh, I love this. This is like a little summer jacket. A little toddler baby. That's a beautiful. Look at the details on it. Well, thank you for coming into Little Silver Spoon Nursery Gyration. And we'll be back with more videos soon. And sorry we're gone for so long, but we're back now. And we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.